All right, traders, welcome to today's midday session. This is Christian from Tribeca Trade Group, and here's just a quick 5-minute summary for the day. We see some gold miners going up right here. That is my trade of the day. I went long Nugget, just going long in cash. NUGT is the 3 times levered product, so it's kind of like trading options in GDX. No need, in my opinion, to trade Nugget in options. It's already 3 times levered gold miners. So this looks like a nice breakout to me in GDX. We were also seeing for the second day in a row some activity in the space. A lot of GLD calls that hit. Look, there goes some KGC going up too. So KGC, another gold miner. So, it's nice to find something that is moving, and you could see these little nitpicky call buyers, momentum call buyers, and gold miners. I got long Nugget at 1677, and it's already up to 1740. So real nice move that I've got going on here in Nugget. So let me just move from the gold trade. Other than that, it's a little bit of so far chop. I would say you got a couple things doing pretty well today. The semis are outperforming a little bit, but they're off their highs. So it's midday, kind of at this point, anything goes for the day. So really, I think the most important thing is going to be, again, is where we close for the day. We're seeing both calls and call buying, even though IWM is kind of has an inside day today, still up 50 basis points, but nice IWM call buyer today. You can see those are the January 142 calls. That's the second day that we've seen some heavy IWM into the lows here. Notice the virgin point of control being taken out. Going back to the semi space, I'm watching AMD. Here's the setup that I sent out a little bit earlier. I'm also watching Google. I'll get to Google in a second. You start to kind of look for things. Don't have to be over trading here and trading everything, but just kind of watching. So what am I watching in AMD? I'm looking to see if basically it can get back to 20 bucks. So I'm looking for confirmation. I don't have to dive into these things because there's a lot of false moves intraday. So again, I would rather wait till the end of the day. Because really I'm looking for a bigger move for some things, right? Scalping is one thing, but some of these things I'm looking to maybe put some stock on in, a $19 stock, but I got to see it get above 20, basically 20. I want to see it above yesterday's open. Look at Google here as well as above yesterday's open. There's two different things that I'm watching, two different time frames that I'm watching here. You could see that we are now in value for the week. So your stop would be 1036. And I think we're now above value. We're right at the top of value. So it's not a good entry place. I like to see, so if we back up here a minute, if I zoom out, you can see we've been in a downtrend since last week, but maybe we could get above it here. So that's what I'm watching here. Other than that, some other things that I've seen is, I'll cover the put buying, some KRE, regional banking put buying, also IBB, a big chunk of puts went up in IBB, which you can see it's underperforming, down 1%. I did not take either one of those trades. I'm just kind of watching. I'm not really that interested in pressing to the short side. Kind of looking to see what names wake up. We saw a little bit of Boeing on the open. XHB. This is I'm also in. That's my only other trade, and this is a kind of a cheapie out of the money, but I see a virgin point of control up here. I'm also looking at a couple of the home builders, which had some strength yesterday. Lennar very strong today, up 3.7%. This looks like this one is getting interesting. Remember, we saw back on the 6th of December, we saw a February call buyer in this, and you could probably get into those calls for right around cost basis. 12.6 was back here, maybe a little bit cheaper. Where's 12.6? Probably right here on this green one. When they go on fast money and start jumping up and down about it, it gets a lift, and then all of a sudden it's lower than that. Oh, I just got another target here in Nugget. Geez, what a trade today for the gold miners. 1750 for me, up 6% now in Nugget. So real nice. This one's a day trade. Look at this thing go. Woo! All right, guys, we'll end it there. Bottom line for the day, we'll see where things close. Again, Fed meeting tomorrow. We'll see if they also shut down the government later in the week. So really just watching, forget about all the noise, just watching price action, and we'll see where we can close today. Good luck, guys, and I'll see you guys in Slack, the trading room.